This is my Johnson Super Seahorse electric 40 horsepower outboard. It's mounted on currently mounted on my Sea Star boat. The boat's pretty rough shape. Served us well for the years that we had it. Floor rotted out, and I got some stress cracks in the hull and here in the transom around the back. So I don't want to invest any more in this boat. But motor's a good running motor, and a year ago this past winter I completely rebuilt the outdrive. So basically everything from here down is new. The prop shaft is new, the forward and reverse gears are new, the clutch dog and the carrier are new, all the bearings, all the seals, everything. So this is completely rebuilt on the inside, and I'd like to get some money out of this motor, considering how much money I sunk into it. So let's hear it run. It's warm, so it should start with the choke off, no problem. Turn the water on. There you go. Muffs don't work so great. Feel better. Still cool, so the thermostat hasn't opened yet. Once the thermostat opens, it'll start spitting some water out to show you the impeller works. There we go. Not a steady stream like you get out of the modern outboards. But at least you know the thermostat and the impeller are working, the water pump's working. A little bit of RPM. That's like max throttle it lets you go up to unless it's in gear. And with it out of the water and no load on it, I don't want to push it. You can hear it skipping, but once you get on the water and you're at high RPM, it doesn't do that. So I think that's just characteristic of these old two-strokes. Throw it in gear. Forward, reverse, no problem restarting. I've never done a compression test on this, but I would assume it's pretty good considering it runs pretty well, restarts easy, it starts cold easy with the choke on. So, there you have it. Getting your manual starter right here, in case your battery's dead. Choke. This has got a full-on choke position, then it's got an automatic choke position, and then off. I've never used the automatic choke position. I've always just warmed it up with, started up on choke and then warmed it up, and once it was warm it was fine. Here's your low speed idle screw, mixture screw. This is an automatic choke solenoid. The idea behind this is there's a button up there on the dash, a toggle, spring-loaded toggle switch is supposed to hold that down, and that's supposed to pull the choke closed, so you don't have to take, well, actually you don't have to take this cover off anyways. I just open up the front access hatch here and flip the choke lever. But I think the solenoid's okay, but I've never been able to get that to work. I think it has something to do with the wiring. You can actually see wires hanging down there, and I never really needed it, so I never bothered with it. And then that automatic choke, the way that works is uses the temperature coming from this tube here, goes into this assembly here. Again, I've never used that either. Never really needed it. Cut off switches and bypassed or anything, it's all wired correctly. The fuel pump. This is new line from the fuel pump to here, and from here over to the carburetor, all alcohol fuel line that's capable of handling the newer fuels with the alcohol blend. So that's it.